A brown unicorn. Wow, it's handcrafted. Yeah. Now we can do it. There's a zebra crossing. They extend the road, nothing else. Yeah, it's windy, but not sunny, not too much. I can see ahead, so yeah. Let's just wait. Oh man, that's changing. Nope. Wait. Nope. Wait. Something. And oh man. So this type of three-wheelers, I mean CNG, it's kind of a crazy thing, you know. It's tiny, it's crazy, and it's three-wheeler, and it's CNG. Oh! Oh man. Now we can do it. There we go. Good boy. Oh man, there is another village market ahead, I think. Yeah. So slow it down. There is a pothole, man. What a big pothole. Dude, this is something. So, yep, I'm just checking everything is okay because I'm carrying some bag with me. So, yeah. Downshift, brake, and yeah, I almost hit that lady. Oh man, that mirror, rear view mirror. So I think, I don't know. Oh, look at that truck. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, isn't it crazy? It's the biggest market, you know. So downshift and wait, brake. This is the biggest village market ahead and busy one. So yeah, just wait. Just wait and see. This is the busiest, biggest, nuttiest, messiest village market. Maybe someone calling me, I don't know. Yep, someone calling me maybe. Not that there's a button mobile I use, you know, for regular use. So yeah, someone calling me there. There's a dog ahead. And yeah. Oh dude. কোন ভেজালে বললাম? গাড়ি আছে? না, গাড়ি নেই। So thank you, battery driver. He just, you know, helped me. Oh man, 2 big bag I'm carrying. This is messy. And yep, it's a busy road. Okay, there's jackfruit. And let's just adjust that bag. Oh man, I'm carrying a big bag and a little bag. So yeah, now we can go. It's a busy market. Oh, mango, look at that. A busy market. I don't know how long it will take. Oh, there is a big track. I mean truck, not track. So yeah, ahead. Oh man. Let's just wait and see. Parking. Yeah, just that camera angle. It's the traffic jam, by the way. And yeah, I think, yep, I'm almost there, my destination. And yeah, there's every kind of vehicle here. A van, I mean this wooden thing, it's a van, we call it van. So yeah, CNG 3-wheeler, you guys already know that thing. So yeah, oh man, it's a busy market. Look at that, isn't it messy? Let's see if I can pass that thing easily and professionally. And there we go, some torque. I just need some torque and just well camera angle. There we go. I think everything is cool now. Need some torque. Pretty sure my camera angle is all messed up. So yeah, there's a big bus ahead. And yeah, it's like crazy. Look at that. Isn't it crazy and cool? Yep, some people will find it cool, of course. Let's just wait and adjust my camera angle. Okay, let's just go ahead. Yeah, now I'm out of road. You'll like it, I think. It's handcrafted. Yeah, so let's go. Some torque I need and then shift. Look at that, see that car? It's crazy. I can see anything. Oh, go ahead. Dude, it's a unicorn. Look at that. That guy riding a unicorn. A brown unicorn. Wow.